The warm water.
If it's hot, you can cool it
with a cold one. If namadi agechwozima bwe nkoba gewochwozima kitegeeza amadi nga tiima so ate nga tiima inogovu kitegeeza nti ofuna amadi amasu gaita mu amaino govu gabe gachwozima tiga fridge aya gagochwozima doza tulitegeragana bulungi era tulitambulira walala.
So this is my yeast. I'm going to put two teaspoons of yeast.
Okay. So what if I don't have yeast? Is there any option that I can use?
No, it is yeast they use always.
What if I don't have it completely? Can I leave it out?
Yeah, you leave it out. That's not a pizza. So we need yeast always in the dough of pizza.
So twetagamu yeast gwe tusooka mu mali gaife gali ag'ekiwuzima gw'oteeseteese.
So it depends on how
big
your dough is going to be. Mine is going to be a small dough. It's not going to be a big dough, like which can serve very many people. Mine can serve like three people.
Okay.
2 to 3 people. Is one. So when you're there at home making.
So what is the yeast for? Why should we use the yeast? Why do we add it there?
The yeast. It makes your dough to rise.
Kuzimba.
Yeah, it will rise up. It's like pressure, like when you're pushing pressure in your bowl.
So ekitegeeza mu mpimpi bwemba ni baking powder asobola okola n'ekirala kuba ni baking powder.
But the baking powder doesn't do that.
Ye nazimbya.
It doesn't.
Olianga kwa amandazi agali mu baking powder agempewo.
The problem with baking powder, like it will make your dough be hard, not like this one. So you leave it for 5 minutes to dilute that what?
The yeast.
The yeast. You leave it for 5 minutes. So my 5 minutes are done. So you add salt, 2 teaspoons of salt.
Isn't it much?
It's not too much. This is 2. Just put 2 teaspoons. Then sugar, you put 1. That's why I'm telling you, it depends on the number of what? Number of dough. Like
so why are you putting the sugar and salt?
Sugar brings that nice taste of the pizza, and salt, you know how that will form. Not everything. Food without salt is not nice.
Yeah.
So stir it. So after stirring, leave it just for some 2 minutes so that salt and what?
And the sugar
will dilute.
Or dissolve.
Will dissolve. All of them will dissolve. Then put olive oil. You can also use oil.
Any oil you have?
Oil you have. So for me, I prefer using olive oil. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So that is 1. This is 2. The reason why we put oil makes your dough to be soft and not to get burnt when it is inside.
When it's in the oven, eh?
So it prevents it from getting burnt. So preparation time, preparing the pizza takes 2 hours.
I thought it was a fast
Then
food.
cooking is for 30 minutes.
Isn't it a fast food?
It is a fast food, but you prepare your dough early.
You say it is a fast food when it takes 2 hours
No.
to prepare, as if you're cooking beans.
You make it early. Like you make it early, you put it in the
So you make the dough ready
in the
and
fridge.
put it in the fridge.
You keep it for a quick one. A quick dough, it is 1.5 hours. Medium one is 8 hours. The slow one, it is 24.
You know 8 hours.
Yeah, that is how a pizza works. A quick dough, it is 1.5 hours to rise. That is a quick one if you want to eat it so fast. That is 1.5 hours to rise. You make it, leave it there you leave it there outside, then it will rise. So the medium one is 8 hours.
So
So
pizza
you
eno
leave it also in the
tukibona
home temperature, put it there outside.
if you don't have a fridge.
If you don't have a fridge for 8 hours, that is a medium one. For the one for a slow one, it is 24 hours. So I use this cup for the charade and the flour.
The same cup that you use to measure the water, right?
Yeah. So I'll sprinkle my olive oil in my bowl, then get your pizza. This dough of yours, mix it. Turn it so that oil is hot.
The whole fly.
Even see the oil please. It has coated it. Then you cover it. You can use any plastic thing to cover it on top of the cover.
So mukono gwaife ali ku Baba TV tumaze okuba nga teeka oba okukanda engano yaife tugiteire muno tugitereike nga bw'oligibona ogireka muku essaawa nga 8 kumpi ku lunaku lulamba yabaawo yawula yeikaikana yene yazimba yakola ki yene.
So this one to rise.
Oh.
So that's why when you keep it there, we are leaving it to ferment and to rise up.
Okay.
The dough to rise. So this can be for a quick what? Quick rising. It's 1.5 hour.
Sawa ndala kitundu.
Yeah.
Bw'oba oyenda egedde ezimbe bulungi.
If you want to prepare it so very, very fast, you leave it there for 1.5 hour, then you prepare.
Medium?
The medium is 8 hours.
Oba sawa 8 bw'oba oyenda etuuke kumpi jeja. Then bw'oba oyenda ebenga eyire bulungi ezimbe bulungi nga bwetugenda kitegeeza nti oyida gitaamu lunaku lulamba ogireka engeri etyo.
this one can serve the chicken. You can make one pizza. This one.
Okay.
Going to make the sauce. The tomato sauce, we are going to put it in the dough, in the pizza. The saucepan is now hot. And put onions. Then you add garlic, fresh garlic. Make sure it is grated or chopped. Then you add the tomatoes. And see the way the sauce has changed. With our tomato sauce. And see the way this dough has risen. Sprinkle.
So that doesn't stick on it.
So you can leave that to rise. If you finish to divide, you rise it just for 5 minutes for it to rise from. Okay, so heat your pan. Let it become hot. Sprinkle it with oil. Not too much. So let it spread all over the pan. You can even see. Then the chicken. Then you put it.
We don't slice it.
No. So you leave it there. You only change it when it has turned that golden brown. This one, just put it. Remember, we have what? We have peeled the tomatoes, so don't need of streaming. So these are the and see. You can even use arms for flattering. Very easy to flatter it with arms. Now you're telling me about the dough. Chapati. So brush your dough with olive oil. Use green pepper. Tomatoes, don't need to put too much, just a little. Cheese, see mine is grated.
Couldn't put.
Cheese will help to catch what? By it to the what? The baking sheet. After baking the dough, after rolling the dough, transfer it to the baking sheet. Then you coat the toppings. You put the toppings. You put sauce. First start with that sauce, the tomato sauce. Then use the other chicken, then the other vegetables. Slice them, then put it direct inside in our oven.